Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put together a boutonniere for the groom. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the video. Please remember to give me a thumbs up for this, share, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you and have a blessed day. Hey y'all, so I'm back with another flower video for my daughter's wedding, and this one I am working on the Grooms Boutonniere. So I'm going to show you how to do one of those. This is where I just cut off this flower right here. This is a rose, and I just went ahead and cut it off. You can see how long it was, and I had cut off all the leaves here. Okay, you cut all the leaves off and keep them, cut the stem off to the length you want. Okay, and hang on to these stems in case you need them for something. So, and just keep your leaves in a bucket or something. And one of them you want to keep, of course, because you're going to use it for the back. Decide which one you want to use. And so we're going to use one in the back. And I think I like that one, because it's got like a bigger leaf in the back to kind of support this, since this is such a big rose. So I think I'll use this one, but I think I'm going to clip off these bottom two right here. It's just the bottom two. Just like that. Okay, get those out of the way. Now we can put that up there just like that. Alright. Boutonnieres are pretty easy to make. They're just usually like one flower, unless you do like a smaller. If the roses are smaller, you might want to do two roses, you know, or if they're something like a whole, say something like this, then you might want to do all three of these little flowers together to make a boutonniere or something like that. Okay. So you can just make the boutonniere just like that if you'd like, and that would be fine. That would make a fine boutonniere. But since this is the groom, I want his boutonniere to match the bride's bouquet, and that's why I picked this rose, because this is a rose just like what's in her bouquet. So it's going to be as if like something that has come right out of her bouquet. So I'm going to use just a few things that's from her bouquet, my daughter's bouquet, and that will be a little bit of this and then a little of this branch stem. I don't know what the name of this is. I'm trying to find it. I really don't know what the name of this is. It doesn't have a name on it either. It's something from Hobby Lobby. That's where she got most of all of her flowers from. She ordered them from Hobby Lobby when they were on sale. because of they were fall flowers. Now they're probably out now, but at the time she had to order everything. And just like maybe, probably won't even use the whole thing, but one of these little flowers. We'll just get like one of these little flowers, and I probably won't use all these, just cut one off, one or two off. And same with this, just cut like something off like that. Because you don't need much for a boutonniere. I thought about, I might do a dogwood on there too, but that might be just a little bit too much and too big with this big rose. Okay, so we have our pieces here. And then, oh, she was wanting me to put one of these little things in there, so I'm not sure. She really wanted one of these, but I'm thinking it might be a little too flashy. He may not like it, so I may try one of these. Instead, she was really wanting that because this is what's on hers. But I think this one might look a little better. I was thinking this might look a little bit too flamboyant for him, but I told her I could see how it looked. But yeah, I think that's going to look just a little bit too flamboyant, I think. But I think that would look okay sticking up out of there for him. If had be. And then I have these two. And to be honest, I think these might even look better. I think she may have gotten these from Michael's. Let's see how these look. Because this might even be a little bit better, not quite so flashy. Okay, once you have all your pieces wrapped with some floral tape, you can start putting things together. I like to just take like a couple of pieces at a time and wrap them in. Just get a piece of floral tape at a time and wrapping them like that. And then kind of building it up from that. And that way it helps it to stay together and not fall apart. So there's your start of your boutonniere. Now I've decided I'm going to add a rose as well. Oops. With this. since she does have a rose in it. And then I'm just going to take each one of these pieces and wrap. So I'll do that, and I'll see you in just a minute. After you get your boutonniere all wrapped up, it'll look something like this. And after you've wrapped it with your green tape, if you want it to look a little bit fancier, you can wrap it with some white tape like this. This is white glitter tape. My daughter had gotten that, so I just wrapped it with that. You can also use twine if you want. So I thought about using that, but since she had bought some of this, she wanted that to be used. So then you can just use a pick, get a pin. These are really big pins here, and just stick it in the back so that when they're ready to wear it, it'll be back there. Just kind of stick it in like that. And there's the boutonniere. Now I am thinking about, I haven't decided yet, I'll have to ask my daughter, but since I do have, and she's going kind of for this certain theme a little bit, I'm going to ask her if she would like for me, because I'm not going to use ribbon, but I was going to ask if she would like for me to, because I was thinking about doing this, and this would kind of go with her theme. But I could do this. But I'm not going to completely attach this yet with any glue or anything, because I don't know if she's going to want this on here. So I will ask and see how she likes that. But she has kind of a rustic theme going with all her she got a bunch of things from Hobby Lobby that's like the rustic signs and stuff like that. So her theme is kind of rustic, shabby chic kind of theme. It's kind of a mixture of both. But personally, I kind of like that, because that way it kind of brings that into his boutonniere as well. So I'll see if she likes that, and if she doesn't, I'll take it off. Just like if she doesn't like that tape, I can also take that off and just have the green, or I can even wrap it. So I'll see what she thinks, and y'all can let me know what you think. So leave me a comment down below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate y'all watching. Also, if you're a new subscriber, please subscribe. And remember to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on all my new videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for returning and watching my videos. Appreciate that so much. Appreciate all your support. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you again soon. Have a very blessed day.